Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 CPU usage spikes while idle. Easy solution. First method is run commands. Second method is disable startup apps. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.